Hello once again. This is Chester for the Exams Pro Masterclass. We're here for our civil service exams review, the numerical ability part. Now we've got this problem. A jacket originally cost 2,500 pesos. During a sale, the price decreases by 20%. What is the new sale price, or what is the sale price, right? So let's compute, no? Decreases means subtract, may ibabawas. Okay? Sale price means the discounted price, kung ano yung babayaran ni customer. Alright? So may original price siya, pinababa, tapos yun yung bibilin, yun yung babayaran ni customer. Right? 20% daw po yung discount. So we know that 20% is 10% plus another 10%. Kukunin natin po yung 20% ni 2,500. Break it down to 10%. No? So what is 10% of 2,500? That is 250 po. Dalawang 10%. Total po is 500 pesos po. Alright? Pero hindi pa po yan yung sagot. Okay? So ang tanong kasi ni civil service, what is the sale price? That means i-discount pa natin yung 2,500 ng 20%. Okay? So ibabawas natin doon. 2,500 pesos minus 500. Okay? That is 2,000 pesos po. That's the answer po. Okay, that's all for today. I hope po na makatulong po ito sa pag-exams nyo ng Civil Service Specialist sa numerical ability po. See you in the next video.